Hey everyone, here's a 3D print of a uniquely set cocktail ring we designed for a client. Or rather, it was unique to us because we'd never seen a ring set in this particular fashion before. The design was laid out around the stones the customer already had. They liked the more squared halo look, but only had round diamonds, and wanted the smallest of the larger stones incorporated within the top pattern, so the final design was the bezel set the smaller diamonds above the center stone. The 4 larger diamonds would be half bezel set using the walls of the halo, and the center bezel would act like one large prong. Along with the 5 center stones, 21.1mm rounds would be set in the halo, and 12 tapering round diamonds ranging from 3.5mm down to 3mm would be faux channel set within the knife edge shank. Overall, an interesting build, and certainly one we've never laid out before. If you're looking to have a custom piece of jewelry made, feel free to contact us today. Also, if you'd like to see any particular design or step in the jewelry making process, let us know. We'd be more than happy to show it off. For anything else, feel free to like this video for others to see, subscribe or follow us on our YouTube or any of our social pages, and as always, thanks for watching.